Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial, how to remove PDF password in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a forgotten password on an important document or need to edit a protected file for work, this guide will have you sorted in no time. PDFs are everywhere, but that password protection can be a real headache. The good news is, with the latest tools and methods available in 2025, it's easier than ever to unlock them securely. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. For this method, I'll recommend using a reliable PDF editor like Adobe Acrobat or a free alternative such as PDF Unlocker, which has been updated with advanced features this year. Make sure you download the latest version from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. Now, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your PDF file in the software. If you know the password, enter it when prompted. If not, some tools have options to bypass or remove it directly. Step 2. Look for the Security or Protection settings in the menu. In Adobe Acrobat, for example, go to File, Properties, Security, and select No Security to remove the password. Newer versions in 2025 might even have an automated Unlock PDF button. It's that straightforward. Step 3. Once you've removed the password, save the file as a new PDF. Double-check that the protection is gone by trying to edit or print it. But hold on, a quick word of caution. Always ensure you have the legal right to remove a password from a PDF. This is for your own files or ones you've been authorized to access. Misusing this could lead to issues, so stay ethical. There you have it. You're now a pro at removing PDF passwords. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.